Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Jaguar F PACE. First thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system here, you've got phone there, and you've got the telephone button there. That's the home menu. If you click on phone, no phone connected, connect to device now, yes, or same thing if you well, let's just go back to home, click the telephone button, you get the same menu there. So we'll click yes. Search for Bluetooth devices. There we go. Jaguar F PACE is searching, and there you see it's come up at the bottom there, and it's also showing my phone there. So we'll click on that. Pairing Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Please start pairing process on your device. If required, use this pin 0000, but it's actually generated a random pin, and they both match. So we'll click pair there and yes there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Where's it gone? Jaguar F PACE connected.